PPM is written as it's a real estate land, but our business strategy is that we're doing land loans.
No, I understand. So I'm just making sure for the audience that doesn't understand this, when you raise money, typically the investors who are going to fund the deal or fund the fund,
Right.
we're going to invest in the fund, they have to know what you're doing, and typically you can't work outside of the scope of what you say. And that's really good, by the way. That's a really good safety. If you're out there thinking, I want to put money with somebody, but I don't know what they're going to do with it, once you look at their private placement memorandum, it's going to outline what it is that the fund is actually going to use the money for. And should they use the money for anything outside of the scope of that, it's somewhat of a breach of contract. Now, it doesn't mean that they couldn't. It just means that you could sue them and say, hey, I don't like that idea because that's not what I gave you the money for, right?
That's exactly right. That's the whole principle behind having the SEC in place to make sure these things are being regulated correctly.
So have you done a fund before this? Has you ever
This is
done
my
anything
first fund.